In this video, learn how to shrink volumes. Open this PC, show only C drive. Right-click on this PC or my computer, and select Show More Options from the context menu and go to Manage. Open the Computer Management window. In the Computer Management window, click on Disk Management under the Storage section in the left-hand pane. Right-click on the volume and select Shrink Volume from the context menu. The Shrink dialog box appears, showing the total size of the volume and the amount of space you can shrink. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes. After specifying the amount of space to shrink, click on the Shrink button. Windows will now shrink the volume, creating an allocated space. Once the process is complete, you will see the shrunk volume as an allocated space. Right-click menu, select New Simple Volume. New Windows appears. Press Next button. Remember to exercise caution when shrinking volumes, as it can result in data loss if not done correctly. It's always recommended to have a backup of your important data before making any changes to disk partitions.